Today we're making one of Thailand's most beloved desserts, Khao Niao Mamuang, or mango sticky rice. This sweet, creamy treat is surprisingly simple to recreate at home, and I'll show you how. Let's get started. You'll need 1 cup of glutinous rice, also called sweet rice. It's essential for that perfect, chewy texture. Also, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk for richness, and about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of sugar. We'll add 1/2 teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness, 1 perfectly ripe mango, honey mangoes are a great choice, and 2 tablespoons of coconut cream for that final, luscious drizzle. And for an optional but delicious crunch, have some toasted mung beans or sesame seeds ready for garnish. First, soak the sticky rice for 4 hours or overnight. Drain and steam it for 20 to 25 minutes until it turns translucent. For this recipe, I'm using rice that has already been soaked and steamed. Now for the soul of our dessert, the rich coconut sauce. In a saucepan, gently warm 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk over low heat. It's crucial to keep the heat low to prevent the milk from splitting, which can make the sauce oily. To this, add your sugar and a pinch of salt. The salt is key for balancing the sweetness. Stir continuously until everything is completely dissolved. Remember the golden rule: never let the mixture boil. Before we go any further, skim about 2 tablespoons of the thickest cream from the top and set it aside. This will be our beautiful, salty sweet drizzle for the final plating. Now pour the remaining warm coconut mixture over the hot, sticky rice. Using a spatula, gently fold the sauce in, being careful not to crush the delicate grains until the rice is beautifully glossy. Finally, cover and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step allows the rice to fully absorb all that incredible flavor. While the rice rests, peel and slice the ripe mango into cheeks or thin wedges. Choose a sweet and fragrant mango for the best result. To serve, place a mound of sticky rice on a plate, arrange the mango slices beside it, and drizzle the reserved thick coconut cream over the rice. Finish with toasted mung beans or sesame seeds if you like. When it's time to serve, aim for the rice to be slightly warm or at room temperature. This is the sweet spot where the rice is at its creamiest and best absorbs the coconut sauce. If it gets cold, the grains can harden. Here's a quick fix for your coconut sauce. If it thickens too much upon cooling, simply whisk in a splash of warm water or a little extra coconut milk to bring it back to a perfect, drizzly consistency. To infuse an authentic aroma, add a knotted pandan leaf while warming your coconut milk. It imparts a subtle vanilla-like fragrance. For extra texture, sprinkle on some toasted shredded coconut or crispy yellow mung beans. For a richer version, a dollop of coconut custard takes it over the top. And a final pro tip: if you're short on time, soak the rice in boiling water for 1 hour instead of overnight. It's a fantastic shortcut. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Khao Niao Mamuang recipe, please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.